In the world of secondary packaging, efficiency isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. When you choose Robopac USA, you're investing in cutting-edge technology designed to maximize your operations. Discover the power of unparalleled efficiency with Robopac USA's On-the-Go Pro remote control. This cutting-edge technology allows fork truck operators to initiate the wrap cycle without leaving their vehicles. This means they can quickly move to pick up and stage the next load. With the traditional method, the operator must dismount the forklift, attach the film to the pallet, start the wrap cycle, and then remount the forklift, while the On-the-Go Pro saves an average of 34 seconds of labor per load. For the average customer, these 34 seconds per load translate to labor savings of over $30,000 over 5 years. And over the machine's entire lifespan, you're looking at savings of over $60,000. Keeping operators on the fork truck can ensure your warehouse runs smoothly. Minimizing physical strain reduces the risk of workplace injuries and fatigue, providing a healthier workforce and maintaining high productivity levels throughout the workday. Engineered for the Rototech and Technoplat systems, experience unparalleled efficiency and minimal downtime with the On-the-Go Pro. Contact us today to experience the future of warehouse efficiency with Robopac USA's On-the-Go Pro.